Pulling the doors back and forth, it feels it's like there's some strain on it or something. I'm going to show you how to fix that, because there's something holding it back. Okay. So today I'd like to show you how to trim a bug seal on a sliding screen door. That's one of the major problems with a lot of people when they buy their doors. They don't realize that it's not going to operate properly if you don't trim it back, depending on where your track is. Okay, like this door here, if you look at the track here, the track is only 1/4 of an inch away from the glass here, okay, and the frame. And if you close in here, look how long the bug seal is. It's nearly 1.5 inches, inch and a half. And so what we'll do is show you how to trim that, as well as this one is actually cut to length. This bug seal is cut to length, top and bottom. Sometimes they come longer than the door. If they come longer, you just got to trim the bug seal. Okay, the only tool that you really need for this is really a razor blade, or maybe a pair of scissors. Okay, so utility blade. Okay, so okay, so we usually do this when it's up. So what I'll do is I'll look at it and say, okay, you know what? I fold it, and you see the lines here; they're notched. It's turning a little white because of the white paint on this door. But what I'll do is take that, and I'll take the razor blade and cut it a little bit. So right here is the perfect spot. Just start a little cut there, and then now that it's cut, you can just pull it back all the way through. Okay. The door stops there. Okay. Same thing on this type of door, same thing on the other side. Just peel it back. Okay, so I trimmed it down, but you see here it's still rubbing quite a bit. It's because, you know, the glass is a different depth than the metal frame, the window frame, the sliding door frame. So what I'm going to do is notch that out, and you can see how much it is. It's about 1/8 of an inch or so. And then look here. Have a little bit to play with, so I'm going to take one more notch off here. Okay, and then I'm going to do is put it back in and pull it up until right there to the edge, and then just trim it off. Boom, there you go. So you do that on all four corners, on both top and bottom. It's rubbing a little there and here. So there you go. Well, that's a quick fix for repair on a sliding screen door. Now, if you have trouble with your sliding screen doors sliding, a lot of times it's the bug seal. Sometimes you need to spray some silicone on there, which we sell the Alumalub on our website. You should check it out and check out that video. It's a really awesome product. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.
I think I'm gonna cry.